In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track progress percentage in Smartsheet. We'll keep this simple and clear, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a progress column that shows how far along each task is, using percentages or a visual bar. First, open Smartsheet and select the sheet where you want to track progress. This could be a project plan, a task list, or any sheet where you want to see how work is moving along. Make sure you're in grid view so you can easily work with your columns. If your sheet already has task names, start and end dates, or assignees, that's perfect, because the progress indicator will sit right alongside that information. Next, look to the far right of your existing columns and click on the plus sign to add a new column. This is where we're going to store the progress information. When you click the plus icon, Smartsheet will open a dialog that lets you pick the type of column you want to add. From the list of options, click on Progress. Depending on your version and settings, this may appear as a specific progress type column or as a drop-down with progress styles such as symbols or percentages. Choose the progress option so that Smartsheet knows this column will be used to track how complete each row or task is. After selecting progress, follow the on-screen prompts to finish setting up the column. You will usually be asked to give the column a name, like progress or percent complete, and pick something clear and consistent with the rest of your sheet. You may also see options for how the progress should be displayed. For example, you can configure it to show percentages like 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%, or use a visual bar or symbol that fills up as you update the value. Take a moment to confirm any default values or settings that appear. If you want every new row to start at 0% complete, make sure that's selected. Once you've reviewed the prompts, click OK or Apply to create the column. Now you can start using it. For each task or row, click into the new progress cell and update it as work moves forward. Over time, this gives you an at-a-glance view of how your project is doing and helps you quickly identify items that are falling behind.